Here's a 2015 Cadillac CTS Sedan. Exceptional elegance and masterfully crafted, this CTS amplifies your driving experience. It comes with all the amenities you need: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, active grille shutters, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, voice activation, driver memory seats, rear-wheel drive, ultrasonic park assist, and automatic transmission. Consumer Guide remarks, the cabin is impressively hushed overall. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.